this is when I began to prepare the garage. I had a bunch of stuff in the garage and I needed to make room for both cars. So I went about cleaning up the mess, straightening things up, and getting things moved over to where I could be able to work and use the table. I had a bunch of stuff just kind of sitting around. So I needed to make room for both cars and had to take a measurement to make sure that I had enough room to get both cars in the garage. So I think I got the room cleaned up pretty good. Circular saw is going to go out the shed. A couple of things over here, it's going to go out the shed. And it's going to be tight, but I'll get them both in here. After getting the garage ready, I talked to Karen's cousin. New toys. And he had a truck and a trailer, and so we spent a Saturday driving to Lawton and picking up both cars, one at a time. We then parked each one in the garage. I wanted to have them backed in, so we pushed it in backwards, and that pretty much got us ready to go. I appreciate my wife's cousin Bill. He was real helpful in getting that done. So here it is, Karen's present. We're going to get her, the red one is going to get fixed up for her, and then we're going to fix up the white one and sell it.